A plus BC equal to 2021. AB plus C equal to 2020. We want to find A comma B comma C such that A comma B comma C belongs to the set of integers. So A, B, C has to be in the set of integers. Don't worry much about this. So let's continue. Solution. We have A plus BC equal to 2021. AB plus C equal to 2020. Let's call this equation 1 and this equation 2. The first thing we are going to do is to subtract equation 2 from 1. Equation 1 minus equation 2. So that will be A plus BC minus this left hand side, AB plus C equal to 2021 minus 2020. A plus BC minus times AB minus AB minus times C minus C equal to 2021 minus 2020, that is 1. Now, let us rearrange this left hand side. So that will be A minus AB plus BC minus C equal to 1. From these two guys, we can factor out A. So that will be A into 1 minus B. From these two guys also, you will see that C is common, but let us factor out minus C. So that will be minus C into 1 minus B equal to 1. That is minus C times 1 minus C. Minus C times minus B, we have plus BC. Let's proceed further. This means that we have 1 minus B times A minus C equal to 1. Let us call this equation 3. Now, let us focus our attention on 1. 1 could be written as 1 times 1. We can also write 1 as minus 1 times minus 1. We can call this case 1, and this, let us call it case 2. What we have to do now is to consider each of these cases. So for case 1, what we have to do is that we are going to replace this particular one with 1 times 1. That is 1 is equals to 1 times 1 for case 1. From here we have 1 minus B times A minus C equal to 1 times 1. Now, if we comparing 1 minus B has to be equal to 1, while A minus C has to be equal to 1 also. 1 minus B is equals to 1. A minus C is equals to 1. From this line, it is obvious B is equals to 1 minus 1. So B equals to 1 minus 1, that is 0. This is the value of B. Now, from this line, A, when we move minus C to the right hand side, it becomes C plus 1. Take note of this. So substitute this guy, A equals to C plus 1 into equation 1. Let me show you equation 1. This equation 1, A plus BC equals to 2021. So let us put that down. A plus BC is equals to 2021. This is equation 1. Equation 1. So, in place of A now, we will write C plus 1. So we have C plus 1 plus, but we already know what B is. B is equals to 0. So this becomes 0 times C equal to 2021. C plus 1, this is 1 plus 0 times C, that is 0, equal to 2021. Welcome. So we have C equals to, when this 1 comes to the right hand side, we have 2021 minus 1. C equals to 2021 minus 1, that is 2020. This is the value of C. Now, what is left now is to find the value of A. We already obtained the value of B and the value of C. So since A is equals to C plus 1, C plus 1, A is equals to, what is C? The value of C is 2020, 2020 plus 1. A is now equals to 2020 plus 1, that is 2021. This is the value of A. Therefore, the first solution, A, comma B, comma C, is equals to A is 2021, comma B is 0, comma, and the value of C is what? That is 2020, 2020. This is the first solution. What is left now is to consider the other case, which is case 2. We are done with this first case. Remain case 2. Okay. Now, for case 2, we have to replace this particular one with minus 1 times 1. So 1 is equals to minus 1 times minus 1. From here, 1 minus B times A minus C is equals to this minus 1 times minus 1. Comparing also, as we did for case 1, if we compare, 1 minus B has to be equals to minus 1, while A minus C has to be equals to minus 1 also. 1 minus B equal to minus 1. A minus C is equals to minus 1. From this line, B is equals to 1 plus 1. That is by rearranging this. B is equals to 1 plus 1, that is 2. This is the value of B. Now, let us substitute. Okay, before that, moving minus C to the right hand side, we have A equals to C minus 1. So let's proceed further. Substitute this guy, A equals to C minus 1 into equation 1 as we did earlier. Let me show you equation 1. Equation 1 is here. This is equation 1. A plus BC equals to 2021. A plus BC equal to 2021. So in place of A, we write what? We write C minus 1. C minus 1 plus, what is B? The value of B is equals to 2. So we have 2 times C, which is 2C, equals to 2021. C plus 2C, that is 3C, minus 1 equal to 2021. 3C is equals to 2021 plus 1. 3c is equals to 2021 plus 1, that is 2022. If you divide both sides by 3, c is equals to, that is 674. This is the value of c. What is left now is to find the value of a, since a is equals to c minus 1. Let me show you. It's from this line, a equals to c minus 1. This means that a equal to, what is c? C is 674. 674 minus 1. A equal to 674 minus 1, that is 673. This is the value of a. Therefore, the second solution now, a comma b comma c is equals to a is 673, comma b is what? What is the value of b? B is equals to 2. 2, comma, the value of c is 674. 674. This is the second solution. Thus, the solutions that we obtain for this tricky math equation is a comma b comma c is equals to the set of, the first solution that we obtain is 2021 comma 0 comma 2020. This is the second solution that we obtained. 673 comma 2 comma 674. But if we can verify this solution, that is to confirm if it is correct, it is very good. So let's verify it. Verify now. Verify. Sorry, this is R. Okay. Verify. Yeah, got it. So let us verify it using any of the equation. We can use equation 1. Equation 1 is A plus BC equal to 2021. Let's verify this first answer. First, this is A, this is B, this is C. Plugging it into this left-hand side, that will be 2021 plus, what is B? 0. 0 times C is 2020. 2020 equal to 2021. So we have 2021 plus 0 times 2020, that is 0. Even with 0 times billions, still 0, equal to 2021. 2021 plus 0, 2021, equal to 2021. You will see that the left-hand side is the same thing as the right-hand side. That means the first solution is indeed correct. Now let us verify the second answer. This is A, this is B, Y, this is C. Plugging it into this expression also, so that will be 673 plus B, that is 2. 2 times C is 674. 674 equal to the right hand side, 2021. 673 plus 2 times 674, that is 1348. Yeah, got it. Equal to 2021. Adding this left hand side together, 673 plus 1348, that gives 2021 equal to 2021. You can confirm this using your calculator. You will see that the left hand side here is the same thing as the right hand side also. That means indeed the second solution, the second answer, is also correct. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys